Yes, my viewers and subscribers. I want to take a look on a leave it here. See me I say? On a while something still. See me I say? Just now something. This. Whatever time out the road block, the water feedback in the yard. You see me I say? Even some of the yard them down on the lane. You see me I say people? Yeah man. You see me? And the one area living inside there, see it? People can see it. Water that soak from underneath the bottom of the foundation of the house. You see it? See that? All this water from outer come off on the main road. You see me I say people? Yeah man. The other day open the front of the open the road, open the main people. What? Oh, they flood out. All manual cover fly. So it stop running and start running inside of the yard. Yeah. You see me I say people? Look. Sewage water people. Straight sewage water. You understand? Straight sewage water. When I want to visit the man's house and things. Straight sewage water. The elder live inside that. So I'm going to come out of my house. I break him up, put on step off and step. People, see it? Right? And there's one elder live inside there. You understand, massive people? You see me? All can move. You see me? I'm saying bike him use. A bike him have a bike where carry him around. See the people sewage water. And about 2 weeks now this is going. You see me? I will call, but watch here. Sometimes it's not. The sewage people in fault more time, like say, oh watch here, say for instance say, no I said something wrong, so I should say. Sometimes it's not the sewage line of the fault, sometimes are we the people do something wrong. It's me cause all want to back up in a people yard. Now watch out, this is the man back gate. This is the way I'm push out him bike. You see me? I look at him have a back. I look at him have a front gate people. You see what I'm saying? I look at him have a front gate. See man look at bike in place. You see me? I look at him have a harder gate. You see me? See the people? The man yard flood out. Flood out with sewage water. You see me? But I'm going to show you something. You see what I'm saying? Right? I'm going to tell them one thing. You see me? Tell them one thing. This sewage water run over inside of this elder yard and other people yard. You see what I'm saying? I'm going to show you something. Yeah man, my people. You see what I'm saying? You see me? Just run a video on your yard. You understand what I'm saying? Just run a video on your yard. You see me? I run a video on your yard with the water. See what I'm saying? Man, put it up. You see me? Stink man, bad man, water smell bad, me I tell you man. Smell bad. You see me? You can't push out a bike, eh? No sir. Alright, and I need to use and do a little roast, don't you? Yeah. If you do and do a little roast, you can't push it out because you see me I say? Right? And when all of it is strong, you couldn't push it out because the water flood the back gate. You see me? So see the people, the man are living in bad condition because see me? You see me? Yeah man. See eh? Ella can't push out him bike for them hustling people. Can't push out him bike and people are calling. People say they calling. You see what I say? And the elder big people call. But people may show us something still because watch out. Watch these people. People can't even know the water smell bad, the water stink, people. See, the elder can't push out him bike for go do him little hustling for 2 weeks now. It's me, you know, have nobody that give him nothing. You see me? And bike him house and do little hustling, people. He's not a strong elder, you see me I say? You see me? And him alone. You see me? Yeah, man, and the bike can't push through the next gate. You see me? Yeah, man, I know so the water must sick, man, because they're so right now and think I'm going to tell you, say, you know what I'm saying? See me I say? Yes, people, so now you're the elder. So now go on to the gully side, you see me? See the people. So some people have go through in the garrison. You see me? Plus, especially to the elderly people. You see me I say? Some of them go through. This one go through. Some people go through. You see me? They need to change out the pipe them still, because them pipe are from 90 now long and thing, and them pipe too small to carry the water. You see me I say? So people are going to on the gully side. Yes, viewers and subscribers. Yes, people. Backward me there. Backward, people. The back of the elder gate there. So it's there, see there. So you see him going pushing bike on and thing with your water get worse. I say, now stop. See, people, the water. This is the lower part of text lane. Yeah, man, see there. So the water run. Yeah, man, the people place come like country, isn't it? Like country, is it? Country mango tree, tamarind tree, breadfruit tree. Yeah, man. So yes, people, this is where the water is the end of the little water stream where the sewage water run to the gully, you understand? Yeah, man, this is water where run out of the elder yard, you understand, people? Yeah, man. So now people, I'm showing nothing. Watch this. Watch this, people. I'm showing nothing. All slippers my favorite one. This is a manual, people. This is the last manual on the lower text there. So all water from Kingston Garden going up, people are doing right down the side come. Right to the manual here. You see what I say? Right? Right down from the manual right there, people. You have a pipe run. Here the people watch it. Run right here. Right here, people. Right here. A pipe from that manual, people. Distribute the water right here inside of the gully. Yes, massive people. But people, look. Wanna see? If the entrance of the pipe there right there, sir, to let out the water out of the gully, out of the sewage manual. You see me? And if we stay this way, all the water come out. All the water run out. So to my knowledge, people, the person who throw the rubbish here block up the entrance of the pipe. You see me I say? Looking up the entrance of the pipe, you see, are just straight rubbish, people. So there's a pipe there to run the water in the gully. See? And someone throw rubbish and block up the entrance of the pipe. Yeah, man. Someone throw rubbish, people, and block up the entrance of the pipe. See there? Right? So all of them yard were flood out, people. I feel say because of the entrance of the pipe block up, the water feedback in the people them yard. Yeah, man. This is a back of a yard, people. A flooded also the other day, but the people have a pipe run underneath them house, and they find a way how to distribute the water underneath the house, through the pipe underneath the house into the gully. See it? See the people. Right? And find a way to distribute the water in the gully, people. And if you can look further down, people, can look further down, you see a man down in the gully, a clean the gully. Right? Because you live down the on the side. You see me, people, you get the right down there, so I have to clean it because the water smell bad. You see me, people, it's rubbish. See the people? Rubbish. You see me, I say? Look, people, rubbish. So the people them use the gully which show their rubbish into, distribute the rubbish into. You see me, I say? They turn the gully into a them dumping. You see me? You see me? They turn the gully into dumping, people. You see that? See the people. Right? The sewage water can't get run out because they blocked up the entrance of the pipe. You understand? They block up the entrance of the pipe, people, with the rubbish. See me? So enough time some things are happen more time. Some disasters take some people more time. Right? Like say rainfall and gully come down and all them rubbish come. I say all rubbish then people. Straight up to Alman town. All them rubbish people when the gully come down and the water carry. You know, say the people. When they reach to the bridge, like all a bridge of people, and you have another bridge down the people. You see me? It can cause flood. It can cause people, you have to flood out people. You understand what I say? Right? See the man who clean up in gully, see him there? Yeah, man. I clean up in gully. I clean in front of them yard people. You see what I say? So watch out now. People, when you need to stop throw rubbish in the gully. When you need to stop throw rubbish inside of the gully. You hear that? Yeah, man. This can cause people you have to flood out. You hear that? People need to talk up and say no want rubbish to come around every other day. That's why we can stop throw rubbish in the gully. It's not because sometimes all week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. No rubbish truck no forward in a place, and if the rubbish truck even forward in a community, a certain part of the community, it will go. Right? See? And the next thing, the people that run the rubbish truck, the man and woman that run the rubbish truck, then do the rubbish truck like a feed them one. Yeah, man, then do it like a feed them one. It's not say, they go pick up, if they feel like pick up rubbish, then pick it up. If they don't feel like pick up rubbish, then leave it. You see what I say? So most of these people, they don't have no choice. They have to throw the rubbish. Either them burn it or them throw it into the gully. Easy way. You see what I say? So, and next thing, people, the water we are seeing in the gully is sewage water, yeah? This is not the only place sewage water sewage water dump in the gully or run in the gully. Or I just said the only entrance way water, sewage water run in the gully, people. Further up, sewage water run off the street and into the gully, around the people's yard and into the gully. You understand? But all I plead to people, I ask people, say, yo, when you stop throw rubbish in the gully, see? When you step out and make your voice be heard, you see me? You know, we need the rubbish truck to start come around every other day. You see me? Because rubbish truck will come when them feel like. And so when they come, they're going to come part a certain lane, right? Part of lane, part a certain lane and part of the lane. Pick up rubbish at part of the lane, some lane, right? Some of the lane them, they just come a certain part and pick up rubbish and then leave the rest of the lane. You understand? Yeah, man. So you watch out. Them things I need to stop. You see what I say? And if mosquito start killing off people around here with some certain disease, we know sure so I'm not going to jump up and blame the government. You understand what I say? When it's not the government for blame, or who no for blame, Yes, man say, when you get bag and put in a rubbish on the road, if the rubbish don't come pick it up, when you demonstrate about it. You understand what I say? Because rubbish truck by right, rubbish truck will come every other day come pick up rubbish. Yes, what I say? Right? And it should be a law, or probably a law there. Yes, what I say? Me I go say probably, you know. Yes, what I say? Because I know say a law supposed to be there, you know. Yes, what I say? People are litter the gully, and person see them, they supposed to report them. You then tell the person don't throw the rubbish in the gully, and the person continue throwing rubbish in the gully, or don't take order from whoever see a person throw rubbish in the gully. They should report them, and they get charged for it, right? I think that is one of the ways where they can come with a law and can stop people from throwing rubbish in the gully. You understand what I said? Right? And the other thing, if you stop people from throwing rubbish in the gully, rubbish truck come around every other day. Every other day. Visit the lane in the community them. Right? Visit the lane in the communities from top to bottom. Yeah, man. You see me? Rubbish truck can't come. I got a certain lane and now I got a certain lane, go clean up, go pick up rubbish. See me? So the people them don't have no choice but throw the rubbish inside of the gully. You understand? Right? But I know I said wrong. And the people them supposed to know said wrong. Yes, man say? Because look at this now, I'm showing you. Right? Right there, the water supposed to, the water supposed to distribute in the gully from that manhole. Yes, I say, and not because of someone throw rubbish and block it up. Right? Block it. So the water now come out through it, so you know, so all of them yard will flood out. All of them yard will flood out. See, probably it cause it. See there? See the people out of a yard that I come from. You see me? That right, that's the people. We have to say out of a yard that I come from, the elder yard. You see me? Right there, people want to see the rubbish and pile up. There's a pipe there, I said so much time too. There's a pipe there to distribute the water in the gully. You see me? And that too, not right. Because all of this, want to see people, right, that go straight from the waterfront. Straight down the waterfront, people. And some say, all of them have a mesh at the entrance of the gully. It's not say, but we talk about the sewage water we are run time after time, years on top of years. Them sewage water are running, go down on the waterfront. It's not say, so you know, so the waterfront polluted. It's not say, yeah man. You see me? Look, people. So yeah man, people must take care on the surrounded man. Take care of the community. Keeping the community clean. It's not say, right? That's what we want around here. You understand? People then come together and keep the community clean. You see me? Right? Because all this, you know, people, a pollution, you know? This is pollution. It's not say, a pollute, we the people are pollute the community. You see me? Because you see house, look. See house there, you know? Look, see house there. And you notice them window or the window stay well knocked up because they can't take the scent from the gully. You see me? But remember, people, we are help do it too. Not the sewage water alone. You see me say I do it? Already wrong for the sewage water running in the gully in a people's backyard. You understand? Right? It's wrong. You see me? I think the government should change all the pipe them too. Because the pipe them too small. You see me? The pipe them too small. You see me? So more time the pipeline them black. See the line, the sewage line black. People. You see me? Because it's too small. So the water feed back in a people's yard too. But right, that's how we just showing people that look like this cause the problem for the elder yard flood out and the rest of the yard because someone throw rubbish and block up the entrance of the pipe. Yeah man people, Shop Boss TV production people, you don't know. I'm out.